If you want your plants to grow faster and stay protected from common pests at the same time, this simple natural recipe is worth trying. It almost feels like nature has found the perfect balance. Weak plants begin looking stronger, leaves regain their healthy color, and fresh new growth starts to appear. Today I'll show you how to make 2 natural fertilizers and 1 secret pesticide from the same mixture. Don't miss the final step. First, take 1 liter of water and pour in 1 spoon of raw rice. Raw rice slowly releases natural starches and minerals into the water, helping nourish the soil, support beneficial microbes, and encourage healthier root growth. Now add 1 spoon of yeast. Yeast supplies helpful nutrients that stimulate root activity and support stronger stems and greener leaves. Stir well so the rice and yeast blend evenly, allowing their natural benefits to spread evenly throughout the water. Pour about 2/3 of this mixture directly into the soil around all types of plants, including flowers, vegetables, indoor plants, and trees. It helps strengthen roots, improves nutrient uptake, and encourages steady, healthy growth. Keep the remaining 1/3 of the solution for the secret final step. Now add 1 spoon of turmeric powder to the reserved solution. Then pour in 1 more liter of water and stir well. This creates a gentle natural spray. Turmeric helps discourage many common pests while creating a cleaner surface on plant leaves. Spray both sides of the leaves in the early morning or evening once every 10 to 14 days. Sometimes the best results come from feeding the roots and protecting the leaves naturally. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.